What are salaried employee rights? Most employees are classified as either hourly non-exempt or salaried exempt based upon the way in which they are paid. Salaried employee rights differ from hourly employees in terms of pay, paid leave, and breaks during the workday. There are some salaried employees who are classified as non-exempt due to a lower amount of weekly base pay. Unlike their exempt counterparts, salaried non-exempt employees are entitled to overtime pay. Under salaried employee rights, the same amount of pay is received regardless of the number of hours worked. Whereas an hourly non-exempt employee would only get paid for the exact amount of hours put in for the pay period, a salaried employee could work less than 40 hours per week and still receive a full paycheck. The reverse is also true for exempt salaried workers. If they average more than 40 hours per week, they still receive the same amount of pay. The rules for non-exempt salaried workers are somewhat different in terms of pay. Salaried non-exempt employees are those whose guaranteed base pay amount is less than standard. According to salaried employee rights, non-exempt salaried workers are eligible to earn overtime pay on any hours that exceed the standard maximum. For example, a non-exempt salaried worker in the United States who works 50 hours receives the guaranteed base salary plus overtime pay for 10 hours. Salaried employees are eligible for paid or unpaid leave in the event of extended family or personal illness, medical emergencies, or the birth or adoption of a child. Specific tenure and employer eligibility requirements apply for this type of medical leave. Accrued paid vacation and personal time are eligible for substitution for unpaid medical leave. Group health benefits are required to be maintained during the leave as if the employee were still working. Breaks and lunch periods during the workday are also covered under salaried employee rights. While most hourly employees are provided with a structured schedule as to when breaks and lunches will be taken, salaried employees are generally responsible for scheduling their own breaks. Many local jurisdictions require that breaks be given to salaried workers. Other salaried employee rights pertain to general issues such as work accommodations for disabilities, sexual harassment protection, discrimination, privacy rights, and at workplace safety. Employers are required to provide education and access to information on any unsafe, potentially hazardous materials in the workplace. They should also have measures in place to prevent discrimination based upon gender, religion, race, physical disability and age. Salaried employees should also be informed about which work-related activities are monitored by the employer, such as email communications and internet use.